Greetings, esteemed viewers, and welcome to Let's Inspire TV. Here, we weave tales of nature's wonders, exploring the magic hidden in everyday life. Today, we're venturing into the verdant world of herbs, specifically the Moringa herb. If you find our journey fascinating, do not hesitate to subscribe, like, comment, and share our content. Your participation fuels our exploration. Ready to embark on an enchanting journey into the world of magical herbs? Let's dive into the extraordinary properties and benefits of the Moringa herb. Imagine a plant so versatile and powerful that it can provide numerous health benefits. This isn't the stuff of fairy tales, my friends. It's real, and it's called Moringa. Let's take a moment to appreciate Moringa, a humble powerhouse that's been quietly transforming lives around the world. Native to the tropical and subtropical regions of South Asia, Moringa is a fast-growing, drought-resistant tree, often revered as the miracle tree. And it's not hard to see why. This unassuming tree boasts feathery, fern-like leaves that cluster at the ends of the branches, creating a vibrant green canopy. But it's not just the beauty of the Moringa tree that's captivating, it's the promise it holds within its bark, its leaves, and its pods. Moringa's roots run deep, quite literally. They stretch into the earth, drawing nutrients from the soil, which are then stored in its leaves. These leaves are a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, earning Moringa its nickname, the miracle tree. But the magic doesn't stop there. Moringa is a true symbol of resilience. It thrives in harsh conditions where other plants struggle to survive. Its ability to grow in arid regions provides a sustainable source of nutrition and income for communities in need. And let's not forget Moringa's tiny round seeds. When crushed and added to water, these seeds can purify it, removing harmful bacteria and making it safe to drink. It's an affordable, accessible solution for communities that lack access to clean water. So, we have a single tree that offers a cornucopia of benefits. It's a source of nutrition, a means of income, and a provider of clean water. It's no wonder Moringa is often referred to as the miracle tree. It's a testament to nature's incredible ability to provide, to heal, and to sustain. Now that we've uncovered the magic of Moringa, let's explore its myriad benefits. The Moringa herb is not only magical, but also a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. This humble plant, often referred to as the miracle tree, is an effulgent beacon of vitality and health. Let's begin with its nutritional value. Moringa leaves are teeming with essential vitamins and minerals. From vitamin A, which is crucial for eyesight, to vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, and vitamin B6, an essential component of brain health, the Moringa herb contains them all. It also boasts a rich supply of minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium, making it a well-rounded source of essential nutrients. But that's not all. Moringa is a protein powerhouse. Yes, you heard that right. The leaves of this miracle plant contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. This is particularly beneficial for vegetarians and vegans struggling to get enough protein in their diet. The health benefits of Moringa don't stop at nutrition. Its antioxidant properties are truly remarkable. Antioxidants are compounds that help our bodies fight off harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Moringa is rich in several potent antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, effectively supporting your body's natural defense systems. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties are another feather in its cap. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health problems. The isothiocyanates found in Moringa leaves have shown to be effective in reducing inflammation, providing a natural and safe way to combat this health issue. The wonders of Moringa don't stop at health benefits. Let's delve deeper into its other magical properties. Moringa, besides being a health booster, is also an environmental savior. Let's delve deeper into this aspect. Often we think of plants as passive elements of our environment, but they play a pivotal role in the health and sustainability of our planet. Moringa is a prime example. This miraculous herb isn't just a gift to our bodies, it's a boon to Mother Earth too. Firstly, Moringa has an incredible ability to purify water. Its seeds contain proteins that bind with impurities and bacteria, causing them to settle at the bottom, leaving the water clear and safe to drink. This is especially crucial in regions where clean water is scarce and can potentially save countless lives. Moving on, Moringa's environmental benefits extend to the soil as well. The leaves of this plant are packed with nutrients, and when they fall and decompose, they enrich the soil, naturally increasing its fertility. This makes Moringa a great companion plant in gardens and farms, boosting the health and yield of other plants around it. Moreover, moringa's fast-growing nature and hardiness make it ideal for regenerating depleted soils and improving agricultural productivity. But moringa doesn't stop there. Its rapid growth and adaptability also make it a powerful weapon against deforestation. As moringa trees grow quickly and thrive in arid conditions, they can be planted in areas suffering from deforestation, helping to restore these landscapes, combat desertification, and re-establish biodiversity. This not only helps the local environment, but also contributes to global efforts against climate change. As we've seen, moringa is a superhero of the plant world. It doesn't just nourish our bodies and minds, but also helps to heal and protect our environment. It purifies our water, enriches our soil, and restores our forests. Moringa is truly a gift that keeps on giving, a testament to the intricate interconnections of life on Earth. As we've seen, moringa is not only beneficial to us, but also to our planet. Now let's find out how to use this magical herb. Harnessing the power of moringa is as simple as incorporating it into your daily routine. With a myriad of benefits and a flavor that adds a unique touch to any dish or beverage, moringa is a versatile herb that fits seamlessly into a variety of lifestyle choices. One popular way to enjoy moringa is by brewing it into a soothing tea. With its subtly earthy flavor, moringa tea is a refreshing and healthy beverage choice. Simply steep dried moringa leaves in hot water, strain, and savor the taste of nature's bounty. You can even add a touch of honey or lemon for a personalized twist. For those who prefer a more substantial way to consume moringa, blending it into a smoothie is a great option. Combine a spoonful of moringa powder with your favorite fruits, a splash of almond milk, and a hint of honey for a nutrient-rich, energizing drink. The vibrant green color gives an aesthetic appeal, and the health benefits give a boost to your day. Moringa also shines as a supplement, with capsules available for those seeking a quick and easy way to benefit from this miracle herb. It's a convenient option for busy individuals who want to incorporate the power of moringa into their wellness routine. Let's not forget moringa's role in traditional medicine. For centuries, it has been used to treat a range of ailments, from minor skin conditions to more serious health concerns like diabetes and heart disease. Although it's not a substitute for professional medical advice, it serves as a complementary addition to a holistic approach to health. In cooking, moringa leaves can be used much like spinach, or the seeds can be roasted for a unique snack. It's a culinary adventure waiting to happen, adding a touch of exotic flair to your kitchen creations. Now that you know how to use moringa, you're ready to experience its magic. Whether you're sipping on a cup of moringa tea, enjoying a moringa-infused smoothie, or exploring its use in your cooking, you're embarking on a journey towards wellness and vitality. Remember, the magic of moringa lies not only in its health benefits but also in its versatility and the adventure it brings to your daily routine. We've come a long way on this enchanting journey, discovering the magic of moringa. Together, we've unearthed the potent secrets of this humble herb, a true testament to nature's boundless generosity. This miraculous plant, hiding in plain sight, is a treasure trove of health benefits and environmental solutions. We've learned about moringa's extraordinary health benefits, a veritable cornucopia of nutrients. From its antioxidants to its anti-inflammatory properties, moringa is a powerhouse of wellness that our bodies can greatly benefit from. We've also explored how moringa can be a beacon of hope in our struggle against environmental challenges, acting as a natural purifier and a sustainable resource. We've delved into myriad ways to incorporate moringa into our daily routines. From stirring a spoonful into our morning smoothies to applying it as a nourishing skin salve, the versatility of moringa is truly astounding. It's time now to step out into the world armed with this newfound knowledge. Embrace the magic of moringa, experiment with it in your own unique ways, and share your experiences with us. Your stories could inspire others and create a ripple effect, spreading the magic of moringa far and wide. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Until next time, keep exploring the magic of herbs with Let's Inspire TV.